to another haul. This time I'm gonna be doing Princess Polly, Tiger Mist, Massie Gal, and White Fox Boutique. I put all these brands together because they're based out of Australia, or most of them are, and I only bought a couple items here and there, so the most items I pretty much got was from Princess Polly, and then all the other brands I pretty much just got one item because I don't know, like I try to buy a lot of things like all in one time, but then you know the season, the trends are different, so I pretty much just buy like one item here and there. So I'm going to be first starting off with White Fox Boutique. So I brought this really cute corset top. So it pretty much looks like this in the front. I saw this on Instagram, so I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. So this is what it looks in the front, and then the back actually has two clasps, so it's kind of like a bathing suit, but it pretty much has like hooks like these, and then you just hook them into the fabric like this, and then you gotta push it all the way. So this is what I kind of have struggles with, and I can't really necessarily just slip it on because it's kind of tight, so it looks like that. And there's two of them. So the thing that I really like about this is the boob part is kind of like a stretchy material, so you know me guys, like I don't really have anything, so what I like to do is I like to wear like a sticky bra underneath it, and then it will help give it that like shape. So definitely this is one of my favorite cute tops. This could be paired with like jeans, like casual, or I paired it with a skirt and it just looked amazing. Definitely Vegas worth. Next item is from Massie Gal. I got this kind of scuba feeling dress and it has a slit at the bottom. I also bought a skirt with this, but then I guess it's kind of different because UK size is a little confusing with US size, so I got it and I got a size 0, and my waist, it was like this wide. I was like, what? I was like so confused. So I ended up selling it and I was really upset because that's what I really wanted in the beginning, but I found this dress and it's so cute. I liked how like the cut was. It just kind of has like that sweetheart line, and then it hugs your body very nicely, so that's what I really liked about it. And I got this top from Tiger Mist. This is kind of like a puff sleeve, kind of like corset top. What I really liked is they had an extra small, which is very hard to find in certain stores. That's why I usually shop at Aritzia, because they have that size. And I was a little afraid it wouldn't fit me because the pictures showed like models that were, you know, bigger breasted and just like wider bodies, so I was a little worried, but overall like it fit me perfectly. Inside you could tell that there's kind of like that sticky material so it doesn't slide, and then you can also like part it off with like off the shoulder, or you can put it on the full shoulder. And I like how the middle part is you could just tie it up as tight as you want, and the side has a zipper opening. So I found that super cute, and the material is like very chiffon like, and very breathable. So this was one of my favorite purchases from Tiger Mist. Last brand but not least, there is Princess Polly. But I have 4 dresses for you guys. I bought one of them separate orders from the others, so I'm gonna start off with that one first. This one I honestly love. Like it's like a slit, but then at the same time it's like very chic, and then you can have it like, I like to wear it like casually, maybe with like a jean jacket, leather jacket, but honestly the material and the detailing is just beautiful. It's very comfy, very like, like French kind of like, very vintage feeling, and I just like loved it, especially that I have a hard time finding dresses that fit me, so this is in a US 0 and it just hugs my body perfectly. On to my newest purchases. So I bought 3 dresses at the same time, but I feel like I'm gonna return 2 of them. So this is the first dress. I really liked the material, not the material, but like the pattern. It was like very like cherry blossom, very cute. The thing is, it has that like suede material, which I like do not like at all. Like, I don't know why I don't like this. Like, I used to wear like juicy sweaters that were like this, but I like how it fits. Is just, I don't like, yeah, the material. Like, I wouldn't like see myself like constantly wearing it. So I'm probably gonna return this one. I didn't like how the straps weren't adjustable, even though it did fit me. It's just like, yeah, if there's some people that like have like a higher torso or lower torso, they wouldn't be able to like adjust this at all. So I liked it because of the scoop neck in the front, so it's too bad. Next item is this romper play suit. I thought this was so cute on the model, but then when I put it on, it just, my chest was like not, just no, it was like not doing good for me. Like, did not make me look good, just made me look more skinny. But I just like how the details, it was so cute. There's like 2 bows in the front, and then the bottom has like little frills. I just wish that there was more support in the front, and like I guess a little more like closer together. I could like tie it together, but at the same time it just still wouldn't do as good. I think this one I'm definitely gonna return as well. And last but not least, the last dress. This one I'm gonna keep for sure. It's so cute. It's just a little white dress. Has some frills in the top and then frills in the bottom. But like perfect for any occasion, just lounging around, or you could go out. But definitely gonna keep this dress for sure. Okay, and that is my mini, I guess kind of mini like little haul for you guys on the boutiques that I purchased from Australia. I did not have to pay any customs, thank goodness. Most of these websites already include that customs in the shipping fee. Shipping is literally like, I want to say like $15 to $20. So definitely if you are purchasing, you want to be able to buy a bunch at the same time just so you could get that worth of like them shipping it to you. Overall, I would definitely say like I want like quality in my clothing, so I definitely like am willing to purchase how much and like shipping costs. But I hope you guys liked my short little haul, and I will see you guys in my next one.